Hello, in this video I want to show you how to replace main rotating brush with different accessories on Medion x50 SW. To do this, first we'll need to remove the main rotating brush, and to do it we'll need to press on those two buttons and then remove the cover. Inside there's a brush and you can pull it on the left side and then move it more to the left and it will go out. Then you can take one of those different brushes, in this case there's a rubber one, and make sure that on the right side you have this square. Then simply insert it like this, make sure it rotates, and then close the hatch. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.